Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how you can add a size chart in your WooCommerce store. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open your WordPress account and then open your dashboard. After opening dashboard, from the left menu bar, click on the plugins button. After that, turn on the activation button of size chart after downloading. Now go to the size chart option from the left menu bar. That is, first you have to click size charts. Now click on the settings button. Then create a size chart by adding necessary information related with the product. And now from the right section, click on the publish button. So that's how you will add size chart in WooCommerce. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.